Hello. Didn't see there. Sorry, it's been so long since I've made a video. It's been so long since I've made a video. Sorry about that. It's just been kind of crazy. I've had to take summer school now because, well, the only reason why you take summer school, duh. There's that. So, today I'm gonna, while we're on the lines of teaching, I'm gonna teach y'all how to open up a lighter in a cool way. Now, I'm going to show you the other side, and hopefully if you guys don't like that flag, just click off the video. It's, oh well. But here you go, ready? Oh no, it's the flag. Alright, I'm going to hop right into this. First, you're going to need a lighter. Duh. What, are you stupid? You're going to need a lighter. You're going to need to flick it open like that. And you're like, oh, I'll just light it. You stupid. Alright, no. You got to take this out, right? This should always come out. Then you have this empty little case, right? You don't want to lose that. And then you have this. And then there should always be that right there. That, if you take that out, that's the flint. That goes all the way up to here. Sorry. Then you flip this open like that, and it'll expose the cotton. And then what you want to do, get this Ronsano? And then you want to open it and just put a little bit in there. If you put too much in it, it'll soak your pants. And then when you try to light it, it's going to light your pants on fire. So not too much, not too little, or else it won't even do anything. Then it should all go down to the wick. So flip that back down. Put the casing back on. And then things should be like that. And then you're like, oh, I'll just like that. But no. Alright. That is the lame way. Lame. Oh, you're gonna go up to a party and be like, yeah, man, I got a light. No. You can do it in many different ways. You can even, like that. Or you can, like, flip it back. Like they're AirPods. It's kind of like this, you know? You flip it open and you can flip it back like that. But it's totally different. I don't know why I brought that into the subject. Flip it open, boom. That's a lame way to do it. Now, if you want to be real cool, you can do it like this. Yeah, man, I got a light. You get that? You got it? Here, let's play that in slow motion. Now you're like, Colin, that is really cool, and I want to know how to do that. I'll teach you. Alright. I got you. Now what you want to do, hold it like this. Alright, 2 fingers there, thumb there. Apply a lot of pressure, and then you should just slip it up like that, and it'll fly open. Takes a little bit of getting used to, or else it'll fly out of your hands. Woo! So, there's that. You can always do, oh, I got a light. And then it'll, like, you know, you strike it up against something, right? You strike it up against your pants, and it'll actually light it. Because of the wheel. That's why it has all them notches. Not. Focus. And it's still focused on me. Notches in it. Alright? That's how you light a lighter. You just... No. You can't do that. Because that's the lame way. You just gotta go up and be like, yeah, I got a light. Be all like, oh. I got a light. I got a light. Yeah, man. I got a light. Hey, anybody have a light? Yeah, I have a light. It's no biggie. You know, been skilled at it for about 2 weeks. So yeah, that's how you open a lighter.
Here, then you should put this in your video then. Just